Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pulling the exact documents that prove facts. This saves time later. Start with mail logs and incident reports, then assemble chain of custody records and witness statements so you have a timeline. Make sure employee ID and shift schedules match events. Discrepancies cause delays. Once done, cross-check inventory counts and any monetary figures such as dollar losses. This establishes the what, when, and who, so your report focuses on evidence, not recollection, and you can write precise findings immediately. You now turn raw data into clear findings and link them to proof. Describe each finding with its supporting document and exact timestamp so reviewers can verify quickly. Use numbered exhibits, Exhibit 1, Exhibit 2, and label photos, scans, and digital logs to avoid confusion. Explain the how and why of each issue. Did procedure fail, or was training missing? Then propose corrective actions with named responsible parties and deadlines, because a compliance report must show both diagnosis and a realistic remedy that supervisors can act on. You finish by proofreading for clarity and ensuring sign-off lines are present. Reviewers should see who approved each section. Submit through the prescribed channel, then record the exact submission date and time, and obtain a receipt or reference ID to prove delivery. Make sure to summarize next steps and schedule a follow-up audit to verify corrective actions. If you do not receive acknowledgement, escalate to the supervisor listed. This single troubleshooting step prevents lost reports and ensures accountability across the post office chain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.